Hello and welcome back to Being There Mate. In today's video we're going to give you a quick room tour at the Melia Sunny Beach Hotel Resort in Sunny Beach, Bulgaria. This is as of June 2026. We'll rotate the camera now and I'll give you a talk through as we go, shall we? So we are in this one, which is room 2344. We actually got an upgrade while we arrived. The good thing with this hotel is, if I show you, if that'll focus on my hands, you get these, you know, your normal hotel wristbands for your food. You get them, but the actual room keys are on the wristbands. You don't ever need to remember to get your key. You just beep that on there and voila. But yeah, when we got here, all we paid for with, let me just turn some lights on. All we paid for with Jet2 was just a standard double room, but they upgraded us to a, what they call a premium suite. Well, not premium, I think it's just a suite with a pool view. So let's have a little look here. First in the bathroom, you get your usual toilet, towels, the usual jazz, big sink and a nice walk-in shower with a top head and a bottom head, and of course bath. If you choose to have bath, you get hand gels, all the rest of it. Nice big mirror to go with that. Towels changed daily. You've then got a single wardrobe with shelves, usual Arky, safe if you want it for any valuables, and then you have normal double wardrobe with hanging, shelf at the bottom. Then let's go into here. So yeah, with this extra suite, what we paid for was just a double room, which is technically two single beds. What we always do is we always push these against the wall so that the baby doesn't fall out of the bed. We tend to have the baby in the bed with us. Because the cleaners have just been, it looks like they've moved it again because we keep pushing it, they keep moving it. But yeah, normally you get these bedside cabinets. When you come in the room, you'll get one there, one either side, and that was, of course, more in the middle. But we do push them across. We even bring our own blankets with us as well. Little duvet, summer duvet. So yeah, you get two singles in this room. This is, like I said, this is the suite. Then you get another single bed with another side unit. Then if I rotate, you've got another single bed with another side unit, and then an actual bed which becomes a sofa bed as well. So there's quite a lot. You could fit, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 people in here if you've got teenagers or older kids. We're just here as 2 adults, 2 younger kids, a baby and a toddler. And you've even got 2 chairs to sit on. A nice little chair there. Then you get your usual mini bar. Well, it's not a mini bar, just a mini fridge, should I say, with a table. And of course TV if you want your TV. And then just a table to dump all your stuff, your creams, whatever you've got for your kids. There are 2 aircon units in here. This one tends to be the best, that one there, which you can just turn on and off. And you've got these sort of like old-fashioned ones, which looks like was built originally with the hotel. You've got the thermostats there. But yeah, these look like they've been installed more recently, these side ones here, because the motor for those is actually outside on the balcony. But yeah, so this is the suite, by the way, ladies and gents, if I haven't already said that. And this is with the pool view. So let's have a little look at what you get for this one. And like I said, we're here as of June 2026. And if you're like us, if you're coming as just, and you've booked the cheaper room, the double, you might get lucky and get a upgrade like us. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite a big, spacious room. On the balcony, you've got, again, 2 chairs, table, and there's the motor for that aircon unit. And there is your view. Look at that. So you've even got the slides there. Look, the guy's operating the slide. Look, technically you could let your kids go on the slide, and from here it's a great view. You can even see the entertainment from the night, which that stage down there if I zoom in. So you can even watch entertainment from up here. Pool view. Like I said, you have to pay for these extra. I think they're about £300 extra than the double. £300 or 300 euros, depending which country, than a standard room. But we got it as a nice upgrade. So yeah, I can't really complain. The only one thing to notice with this one is because of where you've got some of these other ones that have got pool view. They might be standard double rooms. If you look at their balconies, ours, even though it's a lot bigger, for someone to dry your clothes, can you see this isn't an enclosed roof? It's got like a wooden roof. So you do get, we've had to get the cleaner to do it because for the first 3 days they weren't doing it. You do get a lot of seagulls pooing on the floor here. So we've asked them today, can you make sure you mop it up every day, because they didn't clean it up on our first 2 days. But yeah, the seagulls do crap on this type of balcony, but either way, still nice. Like you said, nice view from up here, good for evening entertainment. Yeah, that is the suite family room at the Melia Sunny Beach Resort, Bulgaria 2026. Hope that video has been useful. Make sure you subscribe to Being There Mate, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.